What is up, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. I am back with another beauty related video, and this one I'm super excited to be sharing because it involves a Trader Joe's beauty find. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge fan of Trader Joe's, not just for their great food items, but also for their skincare and beauty section. I love trying out their new products, and I love trying out new products in general, but the fact that they're from Trader Joe's just makes me want to try them out even more. So when I was walking around my Trader Joe's, my local Trader Joe's, the last 2 to 3 times, I saw this new product, which is the Trader Joe's Watermelon Facial Mist. And the cute little bottle really grabbed my attention. I thought maybe I should try that. Well, I didn't buy it the first time or the second time, but the third time I was there, I was like, you know what? I've been staring at this the last 2 times. I should just try it and see if I like it, especially with summer coming. So I decided to buy it, and I wanted to give you some more information about this product as well as do a little first impressions. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts on this product, then keep watching. All right, so as I mentioned before, this is the Trader Joe's Watermelon Facial Mist. It is in a little spray bottle. You just take the cap off and you spray it for the mist to come out. And the bottle says that this is a facial mist to refresh and hydrate your skin. It is 3.4 fluid ounces, and the price, at least in California where I live, is $3.99. So it's not too bad. I think the packaging is just so adorable. It's like that melony look with the lime green top and the melon colored bottle. The cute little watermelons on the front of it. Notable ingredients in this product include watermelon seed oil, rice bran oil, watermelon fruit extract, as well as other botanicals. And this product is really designed to just give you a little refresh and a little extra hydration. You can apply it and just get, you'll look a little bit more dewy, glowy, and who doesn't want that, especially during the summer. I do want to give a disclaimer that I purchased this product with my own money, and this is not sponsored in any way. So now that you know the details of the product, I want to get into how you actually use the product as well as try it out for myself on camera. So the bottle says that this product naturally separates, so you want to first really shake it up prior to using it. Then you want to hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face and close your eyes and your mouth, and then spray it 2 to 3 times all over your face. It doesn't say that there's a limit on how many times that you can use this throughout the day, and the bottle does indicate that if you want to look even dewier, that you can hold the bottle closer than that 8 to 10 inches. You just really want to make sure that you do have your eyes and your mouth closed. So in terms of when you should use this product, you can definitely incorporate it into your skincare routine after you do your cleanser. You can just spray some of this on. Or if you're out and about throughout the day and you're feeling like your skin is starting to feel a little bit dry, you can definitely spray this on over your makeup. Or if you're not wearing makeup, just spray it on your bare face. And as I mentioned before, you can use this product multiple times a day. The formula is very mild and gentle, so it's not like you're gonna have an issue with too much misting. And it does seem like this product is only going to be available for a limited time. I'm guessing that it's only gonna be available for summer and then it will go away. So if you're interested in it, you're gonna have to pick it up now at Trader Joe's while it's still available. I love that with this size of bottle, it's easy to put in your purse for when you're on the go and you need a little refresh, or if you're headed to the beach, you can put this in your beach bag, and then when you get hot on the sand but you don't quite want to go in the ocean yet, you can just spray a little bit of this on your face for a little extra refresh, pretend you're on a tropical vacation. So a lot of good things about this product. Now let's get into my thoughts on it. So it does seem like it's very easy to spray. I know that sometimes with spray bottles, there can be an issue with not enough product coming out or maybe too much product. When I spray it, I honestly think it is the perfect amount. I know that some people don't like a ton of mist to come out, but I feel like when it's so little mist, then you can't really even, it doesn't go all over your whole face. I feel like when you spray this, the spray bottle has enough, I guess, power to it to really spray your entire face at once. And I truly feel that you only need 2 to 3 pumps of the bottle and you feel totally refreshed. There's no need for more than that, though. Of course, if you want to spray more than that, you definitely can. But like I said, it sprays really easily. This is in a plastic bottle, so you don't have to deal with anything breaking when it's in your bag. And I also like that, you know, once you're done with this, once you've used up all the product in this, you can easily wash out this bottle and be able to use it for something else. Maybe if you're traveling, when we can finally travel again, you can use this to fill up a different product in this bottle and reuse it. The cap does unscrew, which is nice for that type of situation where you want to put something else in this in the future to reuse the bottle. Let's get back into the specifics though with what I think about the actual mist itself. So aside from really getting that full coverage when you mist it on your face, which I think is so great, the formula inside the bottle kind of looks like a milky liquid, and when it sprays on, it's not like you're seeing droplets on your face, or it's not colored or anything. You simply just look dewier and have more of a glow. I think that this product smells amazing. It definitely has that fruity watermelon scent to it, as to be expected. And to be honest, while I love eating watermelon, I'm typically not a fan of watermelon scented products. However, I really, really like this one, and I think that you really will too. Now, I haven't used this product long enough to tell you, what the results are from using it in terms of how long that dewy, glowy look lasts all day. But I will say that when I just sprayed it on my face and when I sprayed it a little bit earlier after initially buying it, I do feel very refreshed after using it. My skin feels that extra hydration, and this product is very cooling. I think that if you put this in the refrigerator or if you have a beauty fridge, it would be even more cooling and feel that much better when you apply it. And overall, I just think that this is a super fun product for summer. The packaging is cute, it smells amazing, it feels wonderful on the skin, and for the price point of $3.99 compared to a lot of facial mists, I honestly don't think that you can go wrong with picking this product up next time you're shopping at Trader Joe's. So that is everything in terms of my first impressions. Overall, I really do like the product. I think the packaging is super fun. The hydration that this product provides just really refreshes my skin, and I absolutely love the smell of it. I think this product is just super great, especially with the price point of $3.99. A lot of facial mists are $20 or above for the same amount of ounces. So you really can't go wrong with picking this product up the next time you stop by your local Trader Joe's. Hope that this first impressions video was helpful. If you want to see me try out and do first impressions and reviews of more Trader Joe's beauty and skincare products, just give this video a thumbs up and I would be so happy to do that, because honestly, I am just obsessed with Trader Joe's. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm really committing to creating more beauty content on my channel. I kind of stepped away from that a little bit for the past couple of years and focused more on my blog, but now I'm just really trying to focus on both at the same time. So I so appreciate those who have stuck with me and continued to watch my videos as they only sporadically popped up. Now I'm really committing, like I said, to doing more videos each month, so you'll be seeing me a lot more. So thank you guys for hanging in there with me. And if this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and you'll be the first to know about any new videos that I release. And just thank you again to everyone watching. I so appreciate you, and I'll be back soon. Bye.